Sa isang chikahan with Dra. Vicky Bello with some beauty queens din habang may audience sila, mukhang nagulat mismo ang beauty doctor to the stars dahil biglang inamin ni Miss Universe 2018 Katrina Gray na nagpa-liposuction siya sa Bello Medical Clinic. Say kasi ni Katrina, "My personalization of the body reset program, I did a lot of Onda, XLS, M-Sculpt because again toning and tightening was really my goal. And I even tried lipo for the first time here at the back of my arm." Biglang napareact si Dra. Bello at sinabing, "Did you hear that? Katrina had a liposuction. I never thought she'd admit it. Yeah, because her arms were kinda like a little bigger than the rest of her body." Dagdag naman ni Katrina, "Yeah, it was just here," sabay hawk sa ilalim ng kanyang arm. Tinanong naman siya ni Dra. "Bello, how was the liposuction for you?" Na sinagot ni Katrina nang, "It was really nice to be educated. To be guided through what I could expect. You can just see that. That's just a little thing that I did. And I'm able to carry myself in a certain way because I feel that and that's translates to confidence for me." Siyempre, bukod kay Dra. Bello, marami rin ang napahanga kay Katrina dahil willing nga siyang umamin na nagpa-lipo siya.